Guys, and welcome to the bakery. And today we're going to be making Eccles cakes. And what you need for Eccles cakes is 4 ounces of sultanas, 4 ounces of currants, 2 ounces of butter, 2 ounces of sugar. Also, you need some puff pastry. This is what I've already previously done earlier, but you can buy it in or make it yourself. There will be a video later on where I'll show you how to make puff pastry. Right guys, you've got your fruits and your sugar and the butter on, and now we just mix it all together. So you're covering all the fruit with the butter and sugar. So it looks like that. If your butter is a little bit hard, pop it in the microwave and it makes it much easier. There we go. And now we'll fill them. And take 2 sides and fold it in, like this, again. Like that. Now turn them over. They're going to roll them out. And now you can do this with a knife, but I'm going to use this little tool. And now we're going to tray them up and sugar them. A bit of water. All we do then is drop them into sugar. And we rest them, and then we'll bake them. We're now going to be baking the Eccles cakes. It should take around about 15 to 20 minutes to bake, and the oven wants to be about between 350 Fahrenheit and 400 Fahrenheit. See you in a bit. Hi guys, I think the Eccles are ready. We'll just have a look. just ready. Lovely golden brown, and there we go. Scrummy. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. Do subscribe and share. If you saw me with my jumper on today, it's been very, very cold in the bakery. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you again in my next video. Laters!